Dear children, welcome to geography class. You know that map is an important tool of a geographer. We are familiar with different types of maps such as world map, physical map, political map, thematic map, small scale map and large scale maps. In this lesson, we can learn about topographical maps. A topographical map is a large-scale map showing great details of small areas with the help of specific colors and conventional symbols. Topographical maps are also known as survey maps. Generally, maps represent length and breadth of an area of Earth's surface. Topographical maps can represent height of any feature on Earth's surface. Thus, we can say topographical maps are three-dimensional maps. Topographical maps represent both man-made and natural features of the Earth's surface on a flat paper. Survey of India publishes topographical maps of our country. What are the uses of topographical maps? A topographical map generally used as a base map as it helps to draw other types of maps. It is used by government agencies in urban planning, resource development and surveys. Hikers and climbers use topo sheets to calculate the height of roads, hills and mountains. When our Prime Minister visited cyclone affected areas of West Bengal, he was looking in a topographical map. You also maybe watched it. Is it? This is the topographical map of hill station Mount Abu, which is located in Rajasthan. These places, some pictures I am sharing here. The features which is given in the pictures that is represented in the topographical maps using different symbols and colors. Now we can learn to interpret the features that is given in the topographical maps using colors, symbols and contour lines. Use of contour line is an effective method to show relief or elevation. Contour lines are drawn in brown color. A contour line connects the places of equal elevation on a topo sheet. They show the height of the ground above or below the mean sea level. Now we can learn to identify the relief feature from the given contour diagram. In the diagram, height of contour line is given as 100 meter, 200 meter, 300 meter, etc. On which line 100 is written, that line connects the places with the 100 meter height above the mean sea level. Here the circles are irregular in nature and the number is increasing inward. To identify the diagram, in the first step we have to draw a cross section of the contour diagram through the center and name it as AB. Then draw a baseline after leaving enough space between contour diagram and the baseline. Then connect the points A and C, then B and D. Now draw enough number of horizontal lines after leaving equal distance in between to represent the digits which is given in the contour diagram. Now write the numbers in ascending order from bottom to top. Now draw a vertical line from the cross section where it intersects the contour line of 100 meter height. Draw the vertical line with the horizontal line which has the number 100. The same way from the other side also draw a vertical line from the cross section where it intersects the contour line with the 100 meter height. Connect the vertical line with the horizontal line which is having number 100. Repeat the same process related to the contour lines 200, 300, 400 and 500 also. Now you have to join these lines with the freehand drawing. After 500 meter, there is no any other point given in the diagram. So we will join this point with the next style, then go downwards. And now we got a figure that is a conical hill. Conical hill have a uniform slope and a cone-shaped top. Now we learned to identify a conical hill from the topographical map, that means from the contour diagram.